Dear student, welcome to our today's session. We still keep continuing with our topics, which written the Earth as a sphere. But the part on discussion today is how to locate the press on the Earth's surface. That is part we're gonna discuss. Dear student, before proceeding, I want to remind you one thing. If it is your first time to watch my video, or if you didn't subscribe my video, please, you can click the button which written subscribe. And to show your support, please don't forget to like my video. That is what I want from you. Okay, after that, I wish you nice and good progress. Thank you. Locating the press on the Earth's surface. We can use name to locate the press on the Earth's surface. For example, we can say Tanzania in Africa, China, Russia, Ghana, and many press on the Earth's surface. But in this topic, we can locate the press on the Earth's surface mainly using latitude and longitude. Dear student, we can use world map to locate the press, but most of the person or most of the student, they use a name to locate the press on the Earth's surface. For example, we can say Tanzania. In mathematics or mathematical, we locate the press on the Earth's surface by using latitude and longitude. Mwanafunzi, unaweza kutumia njia tofauti tofauti kuonyesha sehemu katika uso wa dunia. Mfano, unaweza kusema Tanzania ambayo iko Afrika, China, Russia ambazo ziko bara Asia, na Ghana ambayo iko Africa. And many press on the Earth's surface, na sehemu nyingi ambazo ziko kwenye uso wa dunia. Lakini katika hesabu tutatumia latitude na longitude. That is, you can locate the press on the Earth's surface by looking intersection between latitude and the longitude. To locate the press on the Earth's surface, first you have to look its intersection point, where its latitude and longitude intersect, and which latitude or which longitude the press is. Kwamba unatakiwa uangalie ni sehemu gani ile ni latitude gani ile sehemu inapatikana. Je, inapatikana kwenye latitude gani na longitude gani? Kwa ile intersection pale ndio tutasema sehemu hii inapatikana katika latitude hii na inapatikana kwenye longitude hii. Okay, this is the example. After looking any explanations or few explanations, let's proceed to our example so as to make more emphasize to bold my point, right? Yes, let's proceed. Locate the following latitude and longitude on the Earth's surface. We have press A. Press A is found on latitude of 20 degree north and 30 degree west. Point B is found, or press B is found in latitude of 20 degree north and 20 degree west. Point C is found in latitude of 70 degree south and 30 degree east. So first we have to write latitude. That is important things to note. The second things to note is when you write the degree. For example, you write 20 degree. Please don't forget to write each direction. Don't forget to write its direction. So when you say 20 degree, you have to state degree to which direction. For example, there we are given 20 degree north. So you see, so the two principles must be considered. So you have to show direction and its degree. That is all about. Right solution. Given A, that point, B is that point, and C that point, as you see there. Another things or important things here is to check your point, to look your point, to review your point. You are given data that arrange according to ascending order. So that degree, you must start from the lowest degree to highest degree. That you look your point and just arrange it in your head from lowest to highest. That is all about. So why are we looking that? We are looking that so as to it be easy for you to draw your earth, right? Kwa unatakiwa uziangalie ili iwe rahisi kwako kuchora mchoro wako. And another things to know is you have to draw a line according to your data given. Don't draw many lines, right? It will waste your time. Let's see our diagram below. I just drawing this. Let me draw. You see, this is my sphere. So after that, I have to draw the equator. The equator. You see, this is equator of my sphere. This is the equator, right? After that, the equator, it divides the Earth into two equal parts. That is the up part and the downward part. After that, I have to draw Greenwich meridian. You see? So Greenwich meridian, just label it. Natural Greenwich meridian. You see? After that, because I have 20 north, I have 20 degree west and 30 degree west. So let me start with the longitude and then follow it with latitude. Let me start to draw longitude. You see, this is my longitude. Which degree is 20 degree west? Another longitude. This is another longitude. Which direction or which degrees is 30 degree west? Why west? Because the west side of the Greenwich, right? Yes. Because Greenwich is there to divide the Earth into two equal parts. That is eastern part and western part. Let me draw in east. In east I have only 30 degree east, so I can't draw many lines. Just I draw one according to data given. 30 degree east. Are you there? After that, let me shift to latitude. Let me draw my latitude. This is my latitude. Have you seen? So this is my latitude, but latitude there is 20 north only. So we have only one latitude. You can't draw more latitude if they have the same degree, right? You see there is 2 20s. So we can't draw two lines of latitude. No. Why? Because we have the same degree. So we just draw one is enough, right? Huwezi kuchora mistari mingi kwamba kwa sababu pale umeona pointi mbili zote zina 20 basi uchore mistari miwili ya latitude. Hapana. Chora tu mmoja unatosha kama ulivyoona nilivyochora. So label it. Right? After that, you have 70 souths. Just draw it. You see? And you label it. I have to indicate my point. So I just look the point of intersection. The point of intersection, for example, in A, there is 20 north. We have 20 north and 30 west. So just look these two lines. Longitude which has 20 north is which, and longitude which has 30 west is which. So the point of intersection between these two lines it will be my point A. You see. So B is 20 north and 20 west. 20 north and 20 west. So look the 20 north and also look the 20 west. The point of intersection, it will be your point. That is right. After that, C, 70 south and 30 east, where it will be. That is the point of intersection of these two points, of these two lines. It will be my point B. That is. Example 2. Write the latitude and longitude of the place shown on diagram. You see, this is our diagram. So write its latitude and longitude. So first you have, there is equator, there is prime meridian or Greenwich. These two lines is there to divide the Earth into two equal parts. So we have 20 north, we have 40, that is latitude, 40 south. In longitude, we have 30 east. We have 30 east. Dear student, I want to tell you something. Because the line which drawn west of the Greenwich, or the longitude which drawn the west of Greenwich, is not indicated with any degree. Just you have to write your own degree, that is 0, if there is no degree indicated, right? Kwa kama hakuna degree yoyote iliyochorwa kwenye mstari uliopewa, basi utaipa wewe mwenyewe kama 0. So that is all about. So we have points A, B, C, D and E. But in longitude which contain point D and point E, it hasn't any degree. We start with the latitude and follow with the longitude. A located in 20 north with longitude of 30 east. B located in 0 as a latitude and the longitude of 30 east. C also located in 40 south and the longitude of 30 east. E located in 40 south and the longitude of 0 east. D located in latitude of 20 north with longitude of 0 east west. Right? Let's see. Solution. To locate the point above, you must start with the latitude and then longitude. As we see, D located in 20 north and 0 west. A located in 20 north as a latitude and 30 east. So, dear student, because I have already explained to you, just try to fill or to locate another point which remain. Dear student, up to that, I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for listening.